Presenting the Celestron AstroMaster 130 EQ telescope. It comes with an optical tube length of 650 mm and an objective lens diameter of 130 mm. Weighing 12 kg, this telescope is sturdy. The telescope is easy to use and requires no separate tools for setup. It comes with quick-release dovetail attachment, requiring no separate setup. The telescope comes with German equatorial mount with setting circles to accurately locate and track sky objects. It also comes with a permanently mounted star pointer. The Celestron AstroMaster telescope has a sturdy pre-assembled tripod with manual motion controls for smooth operations. This makes it easy to track and control the telescope. It comes with 1.25-inch steel tube legs. The telescope is equipped with Sky Level 1 Planetarium software CD-ROM that is packed with information and visuals about 10,000 astronomical objects, making it easy even for novice users to identify various planets and their positions. The Celestron AstroMaster telescope has two eyepieces. The first one is a 20 mm eyepiece that offers 33 times magnification, while the other is a 10 mm eyepiece that offers 65 times magnification. The telescope comes with fully coated glass optical parts that provide clear and crisp images. This compact and portable telescope offers dual-purpose functionality for both terrestrial as well as astronomical viewing. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.